rAge is upon us. The rAge Expo is right around the corner and my excitement for the event is growing as the days go by. The variety of Logitech gear that is going to be available to test drive at the rAge Expo is adding even more to the hype. Upgrading to Logitech gear is one of the best decisions that I've ever made, and after upgrading to the Logitech G502X Plus, I've never looked back. And I'm actually looking to upgrade to a Logitech keyboard after my great experience with the Logitech products. Logitech have some of the best products on the market and their wide range of gear cannot be overlooked. Upgrading to Logitech gear is definitely something you want to consider. They have a wide range of mice, which means that there's plenty of options for your gaming needs, all with their own great benefits that will improve your gaming experience and get you to that next level. If you didn't know, Logitech have more than just mice. They have keyboards, racing wheels, headphones, and so much more. Having the great gear that Logitech offers adds so much fun to the experience, because who doesn't like having the best of the best? It's always fun when having gear you know won't let you down, while also offering insane technology that keeps you at your best. I'm the most excited to try out the Logitech keyboards at the Logitech stand, as I've been looking for a Logitech keyboard to upgrade to, but I don't know which one to choose. So to be able to test drive it is the icing on the cake that I need. I'm so excited for this rAge Expo, to witness the awesome cosplay, the thrilling tournaments, the great prizes, the insane technology, and meeting all the awesome people that are attending the event. And it gets even better with the Logitech stand. Get ready for an exhilarating experience where the world of gaming comes together with a twist of competitive fun. The Logitech stand will be offering a variety of exciting games to play, each designed to test your skills and immerse you in the world of gaming. But that's not all. Rise to the challenge and climb up the leaderboards, because top ranking players will be rewarded with some spectacular prizes. From the precision driven G502X Plus to the immersive audio of the G733 and the Pro X headsets. Feel the adrenaline rush with the G923 racing wheel and experience gaming like never before. And for those who love a tactile edge, the G915 TKL Lightspeed wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard also awaits. These can all be won at the Logitech stand, along with more items to be revealed. This is more than just a gaming fest. It's your chance to win big and elevate your gaming setup with some of the best gear out there. So bring your A game and let the battles begin. If you haven't been to the rAge Expo before, now's your time. It's going to be an awesome event and there are so many cool experiences available for everyone to try out. The rAge Expo is being held from the 8th to the 10th of December at the Gallagher Convention Center in Midrand, Johannesburg. Tickets for the rAge Expo can be bought on the rAgeExpo website, and there are a variety of ticket options for you to choose from. And what's even more exciting is that I get to be there on the 9th of December from 10 AM to 4 PM at the Logitech stand, and I would love to meet my supporters and followers. So if you do come through to the rAge Expo, don't forget to stop by and say hi. I'll see you guys there.